We are going on a float today on the Boise River, end of August 2025. Come along and join us for this expedition.
Don't worry, no bad one. Now we got something funny to do. Everybody's got to bounce so I can push the boat out. We're stuck on the ground. There we go. The bounce gets it going. We're good? Yeah, I'll take some photos before we start talking about that and float away. So everybody on the left, push off of that shore, would you? Just kind of shove us out. Perfect. Take a break, and we're doing our thing. Yeah, if anybody remembers Bob Ross, the painter,
Yeah.
Happy Little Trees, that's an anti-Bob Ross. That's a very unhappy little tree. We could like reverse to call him Rob Bus. That's a merganser. That's my favorite kind of duck. When they start going, they don't normally swim like that. They'll like hydroplane themselves. It's the ones with the red heads. Looks like a big They remind me of those hydrofoils. Propel us down to the next current, which goes under the bridge. It's like playing chess with marbles, you know? You're not paddling to where you want to go, you're paddling to a piece of water that connects to a piece of water that goes where you want to go. That's my Zen moment. There you go. Osprey. Let's go forward nice and easy. We're going to kind of approach this one same as before. We'll make sure there's nobody on it. And then we'll go really fast. And then we'll hang on. And we'll all have fun. There's a checklist. And just hang on for a second. I'll make sure there's nobody we're about to run over. Alright, let's go forward. Let's get this boat moving. And everybody hang on. Okay guys, let's go forward. Everybody paddle forward. Take a break, take a break. And now guys, everybody go forward. We're gonna paddle right into the shore here. Just keep going. Whoop, take a break. We suddenly got a burst of power. And everybody go forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're trying to get in the eddy. A little bit more forward, and then we'll be just sitting in the eddy. And we're about to pump, guys. There it is. So now we take a break so we can see what's going on up there.
Oh, that was cool.
Everybody wants, I'm going to go photo here. Put the white water up in there.
Here we go.
And everybody go forward.
Now my underwear.
And that's good. Take a break.
Wow, this was so cool.
left, lean to your right. Oh, we did.
It looks like a turtle.
We gambled and lost. Hey guys, everybody, in just a second, we're gonna go back right. It's counterintuitive. We're just gonna go with the spin. Keep going back right, back right, back right. And then everybody go forward. And take a break. Perfect. It's like driving a car on a hockey rink. If you wait to hit the gas till you're pointed where you want to go, you've already missed. And just keep going forward. That's good. Take a break right there. Hell's Canyon is my favorite, but it's not as good anymore. There used to be a hatchery up there for salmon and steelhead. And so all of the fish that, you know, they raised there would come swimming back to it. So I would always catch salmon or steelhead. And then they decided to move that over onto the salmon river. And once they moved it to the salmon river, the fishing wasn't nearly as good. There's still really good trout and really good bass fishing, but not the big fish. The bass fishing on there is insane. Like you'll get tired of them, like 40 a day or something. Yeah, that's not fishing, it's catching. So everybody, if you take a look at the bottom of these spikes here, most rivers like this, where people are fishing for rainbow trout, they'll raise the fish at a hatchery and they swim around in a pond. So they know how to be in a pond and eat fish food. But they got smart here, and they take the eggs, put them in these cages so nothing can eat them until they're big enough to swim out as a minnow. And then they've spent their entire lives in moving water, and they know how to move around in the water and avoid the ospreys and eagles.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of a cool idea. I don't know how effective it is. I hope it works.
Sounds good.
We're gonna ruin this guy's fun. All right, everybody, start going forward because we don't want to ram into the shore here. We're actually going to be pulling out where that guy with the red shorts is just to get a snack, do a little swimming maybe. But everybody keep going forward.
Are you cool? Hi there, puppy. Hi there,
If you let him off the leash, does he just go crazy?
Oh yeah, he might follow you guys.
Oh, I got you. That makes sense. Still trying to wrap my head around texting Adam to come pick us up after guiding in the 90s.
There's a nice little patio where
There's some great homes along here.
it's nice.
Call it the Malibu section.
Yeah, these are starter homes.
How was it, Doug? How did you enjoy your float?
I enjoyed it very much. It was very beautiful, peaceful.
We saw some birds.
We saw a lot of birds. We saw a minx. And Janet, how was your float?
I really liked it. I liked this raft here. And most of all, I liked our guide. Yeah, he was great.
Well, I still have reservations about the guide, but
Yeah, he can't be trusted.
And we were in good company.
no, he
We
was
had a great time today.
outstanding. We had a great time as
Here's your
well.
bag.